Okay, good morning. So today looking at DXY. Yesterday we had three times, twice, let's say, after the weekly open on Sunday, we came back twice to test this weekly open or gap bottom if we consider this was a big gap here, which is still something that can be looked that way. If we look on bigger time frame, we could have this gap or weekly open anyway. So this is a dotted line. So we see we came even three times on a shorter time frame to test this level and bounce from it now. So if we see a follow through, that could be a very bullish signal. As soon as we keep the weekly open down, then we could run. The next big step is now, of course, with this 92 area. We are right now on it. As soon as we would pierce that, we would came for the third time now, 1, 2, and 3 on this 21.4 fib, the twin sister of the 23.6. So I use them a lot. And then if we break that one, that could be the final run. So let's see what we get today, but it looks like we have some momentum. So we could expect perhaps if we have the chance to see a break here, like to see something like that, then we break up, then we will consolidate and try to come back here perhaps several times before breaking that. So that's still what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that break. And that would be very great because then we would have a complete clear picture of a very bullish setup on the USD. On my side, as you know, I stay long USD. I bought on the euro dollar when we were here yesterday, posted it, and that's what we see. Next target, as we said already yesterday, it's still the same, is a 38.2 fib at 94.50 area. We have many levels in between. Of course, as soon as we break above that big black level here and we close above it, as soon as we break and close above it, a comeback on this level would be a great long setup. And we can play in between all those levels till we reach the next big target, which is here, 38.2 and the 219 yearly open. So it looks nice for now. And then if we look at the euro dollar, same thing, exactly the same picture, of course, because it's more than 50% of the DXY. So we could come down here. We have some more slow short-term levels here, so I just take them off to make it clear, but we can use them to reload as soon as we have some setups. So I take them off again. We can wait to see what happened on the double top here. Same thing as DXY exactly. The target is the 38.2 here because we already stayed under the 236. And that's very important because yesterday, where I shorted the euro dollar, I posted it on Twitter, was right on this 236. So it's important. The rejection here is telling us a lot. We tried twice to go through, but always on the daily or weekly close, we have been under it or just in line with it. You see, we under it, just there, under it again last week, and now we have a big weekly candle, a nice weekly candle with a big wick here that could be very nicely bearish and would allow us probably this week to break that, go lower, come back, same thing as a DXY. So we will have many options, opportunities to go short euro dollar or short any xxxUSD, meaning long USD whenever we have a pullback or a bounce, depending on the side where we go. Thank you.